What's up YouTube? Michael here, author of How to Make Thousands Flipping Used and Broken Smartphones on eBay. Link to that ebook in the description below. Show you guys a phone I picked up today. This is an iPhone 6 Plus. It's for Verizon. Check the IMEI number on swappa.com. It's got a clean ESN. Check the IMEI number on iCloud.com/activation lock. There is no iCloud account on the phone. You want to definitely check those. As you can see here, I don't know if you can kind of see the color. So the phone, I mean, you can check. I feel it vibrating. Don't know if you guys can hear that. So the phone powers on. However, clearly the digitizer and the LCD is cracked. So, by the way, if you're wondering what the hell this video is about, if you don't know my channel, pretty much, I'm not trying to not reveal my phone number, but I post ads. You probably just got, don't text me. I post ads like this on Facebook and Craigslist. We pay cash for smartphones, blah blah blah. I buy them super duper cheap, flip them for huge profits on eBay and swappa.com. So they texted me, said, hey, I got a 6 Plus cracked Verizon, LCD's cracked. Said, how much are you wanting for it? They said, I'm not sure, make me an offer. It's like, well, alright, let me look up and see what the hell it's worth. I always ask people how much they're wanting for it first, because that gives them the opportunity to lowball themselves without you having to, and they might even say they want less for it than what you're willing to offer. Awesome, more profit for you, right? And it takes stress off of you making an offer. Just a little negotiation tip. So I looked it up on eBay to see what these are going for. That top one there is $300, but the LCD looks good on that one. That one went for $350 and it sold November 4th. Not sure how the hell it went for that much. Those are completely fucked. They look like they've been ran over by a truck. Okay, these look more like mine. That one went for $275, $275, $255. That one's a working one. So yeah. It's safe to say, and I know because I looked it up already, I'm just trying to prove it to you guys, that this phone goes for approximately $250 to $275. So I offered them 50 bucks. I texted them and I said, they said make me an offer, and I said I'm not sure. How about 50 bucks? I said, well, I was really wanting 100 for it, so would you take 75? And I said, hell yes, I'll take 75. And they happened to live like less than 5 minutes from me. So I went and met them at a local gas station right down the road. Gave them $75 cash for the phone. And yeah, and I'm getting ready to list it. Oh, and actually the phones I showed you, the 6 Pluses, were 16 gig. She told me that this was a 64 gig, which is worth a hell of a lot more, but I haven't double checked. I'm gonna plug it into iTunes to double check and make sure, because if so, I'm going to make even more profit than, but you can't ever believe what people tell you, and there's no way to check if it's a 64 gig or not without actually plugging the phone into iTunes, and it'll tell you the storage capacity, or you can check your go to like Drive C computer and it'll show the device and it'll tell you the storage capacity there as well. A couple more little brief tips. Anyway, point of me showing you this, guys, is that I'm going to make over $200 on this phone. Give or take, depending on eBay and PayPal fees. So yeah, either way, huge profit and, very little work. That's what I'm all about. Making a whole hell of a lot of money with minimum effort. Maximum money, minimum effort. Call me lazy, I call it smart. And shit works. So if you're looking to make some money doing what I do, I wrote an ebook step by step how to do this. Again, link is in the